very warming, hearty, delicious yellow split pea and chicken soup. Oh, hi my lovelies! How are you doing today? If you're new to my page, my name is Jen, and as most of you know, I love to teach cooking classes. So today we are going to make yellow split pea chicken soup. I have all the base for the chicken soup here, like the onion, the garlic, the celery, the carrots. This really gives that most flavor to our yellow split pea chicken soup. And I'm adding a little bit of tomatoes because that also bump up the flavor for this soup. And of course, we are going to flavor it with this, amazing spices, dried herbs and spices like tarragon, thyme. And I'd like to use the natural food enhancer when I'm cooking at home. So the more you cook at home, the more you eat better. That's how I think of it. So let's go ahead and start our yellow split pea chicken soup. I start by cutting the onion, cut it across, then lengthwise, and then start chopping it. And then for the tomatoes, I'd like to remove the seeds. So I cut the top part and then slice them in 4 and then remove the seeds and then dice them. I cut all my veggies into small dice, and I make sure that I cut them in the same size, because when you cut all your ingredients the same size, they cook the same time. Then rinse the yellow split pea. And I also cut up some potatoes into small cubes. So we're adding that to the soup also. And I have some cooked chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. And these are my dried herbs and some spices. And I'm also adding soy sauce just to give that nice umami flavor. So let's go ahead and cook our soup. We're gonna heat the pot. I have stock pot that I'm going to use, and we're gonna heat it with oil, and then we're gonna put everything together. So let's go ahead and start. Heat the pot with oil and then saute your onion and garlic. Then add all the cut up veggies and stir to combine. Add tarragon, thyme, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Adding soy sauce makes a big difference. It really gives that savory flavor to your dish. Then add the split pea. Add the chicken, continue stirring. Then add 2 cups of chicken broth. And then cover, let it simmer, and let the split pea cook. Add the potatoes and the rest of the chicken broth. Then continue stirring and then cover it. Simmer for about 20-30 minutes or until the potatoes and the split pea are tender. Okay, so let's go ahead and try our soup. It's really hot. Wonderful flavor. It's very flavorful. The combination of dried thyme, oregano, and smoked paprika, together they're really a harmony of great flavors. So guys, try this and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. See you again next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.